Okay.
Get in. Alright. Well, so I realized I said the bar.
Okay, come here. Hey. There are no jumps. You tell them. Hey, come here, guys. Come here. Hey. Sit, Ivy. Sit, both of you. Sit. Yeah, this is going to be great. Yeah, sit. Ivy, come here. Sit.
Yeah, make sure you take Sue as well. All right, are we ready?
Oh, sure.
Forward.
Come here, you guys.
Hey, I got part of the sheet and I made it to side 2. Yeah, get that done on the belt, Sue. Come on. Oh, you got it.
Don't you dare. Come on. Stay. Everybody stay right where you are. Stay.
I think you need to redo that sign.
Stay.
Yep.
Come here, you guys. Okay. Yeah, stand. Stay. Here. Okay, stay. Yeah, stay. Just stay right there. Stay. Ivy, you're even good. Come here, you guys. Alright. Hey, Chip. Excuse me. Stay. Yeah, I know.
I just like this is humiliating. Perhaps
Stay.
I should have gone to JP.
Stay. Okay, that was close enough. Come on. Nice body slam, Ivy. Really? Okay. Alright, stay. Come on, stay. Way to go. Alright. Slow.
Yeah, this little trick there is just
Very nice. Where the heck is the finish? Can that be the finish?
They knocked it over.
Okay, guys, turn around with me. There you go.
Hey, at least you finished.
Yeah, I know.
Wow.
Hey,
I would try to.
come on, Ivy. Sailor, Nexie can't be worse than that.